Hello everyone, in this video we'll compare RustDesk and NoMachine. RustDesk and NoMachine are both desktop remote tools, but they focus on different strengths. RustDesk is a free, open-source remote desktop software that lets you connect to computers easily. Unlike many other tools, it can be self-hosted, which means you have full control over your data and privacy. The setup is straightforward and it works across multiple platforms like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Its performance is good, with smooth connections and reliable speed for most tasks. Since it's open source, the community actively improves it and adds new features. However, it may not feel as polished or feature-rich as paid tools like AnyTask. NoMachine is a remote desktop software known for its speed and high-quality performance. It works smoothly even with demanding tasks like video streaming or graphics-heavy applications. The setup is fairly simple and it supports many platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. One of its standout features is the ability to share files, printers, and even USB devices between computers. It also allows session recording, which can be useful for work or training. While it is powerful, beginners might find its interface a little less straightforward compared to simpler tools. Overall, RustDesk is better for free, open source, and privacy control, while NoMachine is better for high-performance, feature-rich remote desktop use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.